So over here, you can see that there are many slides right here which are generated but does not have much graphics. If you want to go ahead and add in simple graphics, then you can actually go ahead and add in shapes in slide. So to access shapes around over here on the top, you can see that insert shape is an option. So you got the basic shapes right here, like for example, rectangle, that you can go ahead and click and drag around. Then you can go ahead and choose a border color for the rectangle right here, just like this as you want. And you can also go ahead and choose a fill color as you wish as well. So let's just go around over here, choose the fill color, and this is what you have. You can go around over here and resize this out as you want, and then rotate it out and place it wherever you want as well. So this is one kind of a shape which is straightforward, and you can simply go ahead and click and drag it to make it. You can also go around over here on the top and let's say for example go to a special shape. Let's say for example like this particular arrow shape right here, and you can click and drag right here, and then you can see that this is a bit unique right here with its own characteristics, a bit complicated right here, a bit more detailed. Apart from that, you can also go around over here and let's say for example select these type of shapes right here, just like this. So you can go around over here, select, let's say for example I'm going to go around and say a rounded rectangle right here, and with some shapes you even get this yellow dot right here which you can click and drag to change how the shape actually looks as well. You can go around over here, let's say for example go for this arrow right here just like this, and bring in different shapes to communicate your ideas visually. So that is how you can go ahead and add in shapes as you like inside of slides inside of Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.